One of the greatest artists ever to design a movie poster was Richard Amzell. He made posters for such movies as Hello Dolly, The Sting, and Indiana Jones. Tragically, he died when he was 37 of AIDS. In the Academy Award-winning Chariots of Fire, Ian Charleston brilliantly played the Scottish Olympic star Eric Liddell. Charleston died of AIDS at 40. Each and every AIDS death is a tragedy. Each and every one is someone's friend or someone's family member. More Americans have died of AIDS than died in combat in the Revolutionary War, the Civil War on both sides, World War I, World War II, and the Vietnam War combined. Every year, 30,000 more Americans acquire HIV, the AIDS virus. The Centers for Disease Control indicate that the primary cause of infection is gay sex. We consider it wise and proper to teach children to wash their hands after using the bathroom. The concern is that contact with human waste can spread germs and infection, like E. coli, to yourself and others. Many public restrooms are designed without doors, in part because the danger of bathroom doorknobs being handled by those who don't wash their hands. The health risks of gay sex are many magnitudes higher than unwashed hands. The Centers for Disease Control explains that gay sex is the leading cause of AIDS because it mixes the body fluids of someone uninfected with the body fluids of someone who is infected. The tragic death toll is only increased by popular gay activities that go beyond the standard gay sex. The slang names for some of the more popular gay activities sound grossly unnatural and profoundly unhealthy. Obviously, the risk of AIDS is also increased by having multiple sexual partners. The state of Georgia spends just over $18 billion on all the elements of its budget. Federal government spending is almost $30 billion a year on AIDS. Over 6 times as much is spent on AIDS research as on Alzheimer's research. Almost $1 billion is spent on AIDS prevention, but the message is seldom to avoid gay sex. For thousands of years, gay sex has been grouped with adultery and fornication as sexual immorality. God wants people to live in health and prosperity. By proclaiming and pretending that gay sex is honorable and respectable, we invite 30,000 more of America's young men to get infected with HIV this year. When their doctor informs them of their diagnosis, there will not be gaiety, there will be deep sorrow. This is an avoidable tragedy. The issue is not hate, it's health. The goal should be to encourage good, healthy behavior. Every child raised to wash his hands before eating should also be taught to avoid gay sex. Please share this message with others and join the common sense revolution. Vote with your remote for news and entertainment that promotes marriage, the family, and the moral values that make America a healthier and more civilized society.